Hi guys, so I'm just making this video to show you guys the vibration that I'm having on my Ford F150 and the causes for this vibration. So this is a 2014 F150, and one of the things that I'm facing is, when the truck is on idle, I'll feel this vibration coming in and out, and it doesn't matter if I run my AC or turn it off. So in this case, I'm going to turn it off, and I can still feel a little bit, the vibration goes down a little bit, but I can still feel it, especially when you're sitting on the seat, it kind of comes in from the seat. But other than that, if you turn the AC on, it becomes more obvious. I can feel it on the steering wheel. It kind of comes in as a buzz and then goes away. And been doing a lot of research, what can cause this. And from what I found is, this truck has about 200,000 miles on it. And one of the main reason that can happen is because of the spark plugs, and depending on what type of gap you have on these spark plugs. So what I'm going to be doing is changing the spark plugs on this truck and then see if it makes any difference in the vibration. Um, as of right now, you don't see a whole lot, but when it warms up, that's when you start seeing the vibration. And a couple of things I've already done is change my air filter. I've already cleaned up my mass airflow sensor, and pretty much done all the maintenance. But I think my spark plugs are more than 100,000 miles on this, so I think it's time for me to go ahead and change that. So I'm going to be changing the spark plugs. Check out the link below in the description, and you'll see the process of changing the spark plugs on this particular truck. Another couple of things that you can do before you do the spark plug change is, a little tune-up, and again, I'll leave a link. A couple of things that I've done on this truck is cleaning the mass airflow sensor. Like I said, the throttle body itself, I took it apart and cleaned it. So you'll see that video. All those things does help a little bit, but my vibration was still there, and I'm strongly leaning more towards the spark plugs. Now, I've done a lot of research, the types of spark plugs that people use on this particular truck, and I think used to be a different type. I think it was 519. So let me show you the spark plugs that I have. So these are the original spark plugs that came with the truck, SP519, and they have been replaced with a different type. Forgot what it was. I think 548 or something like that. But these have been replaced by those. But I was able to find this SP519 on eBay. So I'd rather replace it. These are radium plugs, and the new ones are, I think, platinum. The replacement ones. So I wanted to replace it with the original ones that came with the Ford truck. Never had any issues with that, and I think that's what I have in there right now. I did remove one of the spark plugs and see, and it looks pretty bad. So let's go ahead and remove that and take a look how it looks like from inside. Okay, so let's take a look at what it looks like. Pretty bad condition. It's all rusted, and the condition kind of shows that it probably haven't been replaced in a long time. And let's see what the gap is. It's like 0.07, which is quite high. It's supposed to be around 0.44 to 0.5, not more than that. But this is way too much gap, as compared to, let's compare it to the new one. And to the right, you can see the new one, and to the left is the old one, obviously. And you can see the gap is much bigger on the left one, and quite a big difference. So, guys, highly recommend replacing that. I changed my spark plugs and started the car after replacing these. I got the exact same kind. I didn't want to use the new stuff. This is the 519. That came originally with the car, and that's the one I put in, and I'm pretty happy. My vibration went away, and that kind of solved my issue. So guys, if you're having that issue, definitely change your spark plugs, and watch my video on the link on how to replace the spark plugs on this Ford F150. And hopefully you guys like the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.